everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. Today we're talking about our latest project that we just closed on less than a week ago, and we actually were fortunate enough to be in person for the closing, so it worked out really well. So we're going to talk about that project today, and then at the end share the video with you guys of the walkthrough so you guys can kind of see the actual layout and get our interpretation of how we're going to go through and make the renovations. But with this one, our realtor brought it to us off market. It was coming on the market, and we were able to agree to offer before it got placed on the MLS, which was perfect. We split the difference. We ended up at 125 on the purchase price. And I found that, they say never split the difference and always get your ads, but it's hard when you're not negotiating and your realtor is negotiating on your behalf. So it's kind of hard to kind of go back and forth because you can't communicate. You can't ask those leading questions to kind of understand what people are and kind of bring more the human element. So you're kind of you're left up to just the skills of your realtors and on both sides. So it's you got two levels of people in between the actual buyer and seller. So we end up splitting the difference, which is fine. We got a great deal. We purchase price on this one is 125. Renovation is 45K, and the after repair value that we're shooting for, well, actually not what we're shooting for, the after repair value appraisal that our hard money lender got on this one actually came back at 252,000. And whereas the main closing costs, interest and fees that we're gonna pay somewhere around 24,000. And the profit on the back end will be a little bit south of 60K, so right at 58,000 when you do the math. But yep, so all in all, should be a solid project. It's not major. The house was purchased by the previous owner in 2018. They had some storm damage, got a new roof repaired. Since the hurricane, they took out some sheetrock that had got damaged, but the kitchen is intact. We're gonna keep the kitchen cabinets. We're gonna paint those, the bottom cabinets, and the bathrooms are intact. And really, all we need to do is just go back, install more insulation, sheetrock, paint, floors in the areas where the floors were already taken out, and then repair some termite damage where after they exposed the sheetrock, there was wood termite damage that has been already remediated, which is perfect. So we just replaced the wood, installed insulation and buttoned it back up, and boom, and we should be good. So it should be a fairly straightforward project. And there's a swimming pool on this one. So in the meantime, while we're working some other projects, we'll have an independent pool company that'll come in that'll do the pool renovation work, which was just retiled back a couple years ago. So there shouldn't be a whole lot of work there. The risk there is lower as well too. But if we got contingencies in there just in case we run into an issue. But that's one of the ways that we bound our risk. We do our forensics, we do our analysis. Hey, the pool was just updated when that house was bought in 2018. It's been sitting for a couple of years. There's water been in it the whole time. It's not leaking water. You didn't see any reduced level rings where you see water seepage out over time. None of that going on. So we'll see, but it should be good. And this one should kind of close on a fairly fast timeline, and we'll be on to the next one. So just wanted to share this one. We actually were on the scene walking through this property since we were able to go down and close during the week of spring break for us, which was cool. It was good to see all the projects. You'll see more videos with those, but just wanted to share this one with you first that we just recently closed on, and we're looking to get started. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure that you hit this thumbs up button and subscribe for more content. We're on our way to 15. We just hit 5 properties in the first quarter, closed out the quarter with a bang, and so we're well on our way to get to 15 properties done this year, which would be outstanding. So, and I'll see you guys on the next video. This one just closed on it today while we were here in Panama City, and right here in the backyard. Check it out. We got the pool here. Got a little wood deck area there on the side. New roof though. New roof, got double two slide glass doors here and little equipment. So this should be a pretty good one. Check out this air conditioner. Eight feet high?
Yeah. No one. What? 160.
160 by 8. Okay. Oh, I got the key to the front door. Let me get the key. So we got they put a new roof on.
Yeah, all it is for the minute change for the.
Oh, right there, that tree, looked like that tree fell
Yeah.
after. Okay. Goes to the top lock, but not the bottom one. Interesting. Yeah, it's not opening though. Yeah, it works on that one.
¿Más aquel lado, man? ¿Ah? Más aquel lado, mira. Por allá.
Did the garage unlock? Oh, here's a lockbox. I wonder if I call Ray and ask.
Yeah, Mr. Ray having one in there.
Okay, so we just got to replace that wood there, the termite damage. That fireplace looks good though. Not bad. Got the main bath. So this tub insert is good. We'll probably do vinyl plank for everything, but just gotta clean these up. This first mirror room. So we gotta replace, got termite damage here, so we're going to replace this wood here in this room. And yeah, just sheetrock and paint. A little bit more termite damage here. This one in that corner there. But the good thing with this, they already had treated for the termites, got it out, got that problem solved. So it's really just replacing the wood coming back. Closet, we're good to go. Same thing here, little termite damage there. Kitchen. Kitchen's good. More stove and power still on. Yeah. Okay, entry to the garage. Oh, mud room, washroom. And we got the master. Okay, master. No termite damage here. To the pool. Exit to the pool right there. Just need sheetrock and paint. And this one here. Cabinets look good for the master bathroom. Definitely keep those. Oh, closet. Frame in this closet here. Right off the bathroom on the back side. There's a tub. Pantry. Yeah, so this one won't be bad at all. Just paint. We're gonna keep the sink here, the lights, and be good to go. You guys already saw the outside. And we probably have to redo the unit here. So older unit, but we'll get the professionals check that out and make a call and go from there. But all in all, not bad. Not bad at all. And then we got the outside here when you come out to the pool. So this will be a nice house. The yard's not too big. All brick. Be a good one.